Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to schedule messages in Teams, whether in channels or chats. Now here, as you can see, I have this post, for example. Now what you should do is to click on this plus icon on the bottom left side. Once you click on the plus icon, here you have this option, schedule message. You just have to click on it. Then you want to choose the date that you want to schedule the message to. Then you want to go and click on continue. And after that, here you can see this blue message, select post deliver on Thursday, January 1st at 8 a.m. You can click on it like so and cancel the schedule time or adjust the schedule time or click on continue. After you finish, you want to go and click on post on the bottom right side. And now let's go to messages. What you should do also is to click on this plus icon on the bottom right side, then click on schedule message. A plus thing that you can actually do is to right click on the message button. And once you right click on the message button, here you can see that you can schedule your message right here. Then click on continue. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.